Hey guys, how are you? Happy Friday to you. It's Purple Friday, and if you live in the Maryland area, you just can't help but just be excited if you're a football fan of all that's going on right now with the Baltimore Ravens. We're so excited just to see all the thrills that's going on and just how great we're doing. I've even got my Ravens chair. I'm gonna get up a little bit. See, got my Ravens chair here. And I'm excited. It's a great day, but it's not just here to talk about football. I'm here to talk about you and getting a great deal on the car. See that car behind me? A used car, a nice car. Person got a good deal on it. I've helped people buy cars from a used car before, and funny story, person was about to leave out from the dealership and they just gave this person one key. Come on now. They were the Honda dealership. The person was buying a Honda. I said, we want 2 keys. I made that mistake one time in one of the vehicles that I own, and we only got 1 key. First of all, that key is expensive to get another one. So what you got to do before you buy a car, do not drive out until you negotiate and get what you want. So that was a little funny story, but there was also a lot more money that was saved on that vehicle purchase. I'm here to talk to you today about using a tool online. Remember, I told you about the 3 E's, right? That I'm here to equip you, I'm here to encourage you, and I'm here to engage you. Today, we're going to focus on the equipping piece. We're going to talk about chapter 4 of my book, what the dealership doesn't want you to know. And we're going to talk about buying a used vehicle. One tool online that you want to use in your weapon of arsenal and getting yourself ready before you go buy a car is carfax.com. If you're going to buy a used car, you want to go on carfax.com. Every major, good, reputable dealership always has that button when you're looking at a used car on Show Me the Carfax. If they don't have the Carfax online available for you, run! I mean, run, get away from that dealership, because they don't even want to show you the history on that vehicle. Carfax, you get to see the vehicle history. If the dealership doesn't want to disclose that, run. But there's something else that you want to check out. So I brought my laptop with me today, and we're going to go on the screenshot, and we're going to take a look on a few things, okay? So I'm going to basically, I went and I checked on November, for November of 2019. I said what car sold the most, and if I wanted to read real quick, according to Mark Lines, they said among Japanese companies, Toyota, Honda, Mazda, Mitsubishi, and Subaru sales increased by 9.2, 11.1, 18, 6.5, and 0.2 respectively. There was some other negative stuff that they had to say about other manufacturers, so I didn't want to go over that. I want to talk about the positive. So Toyota was number 1, and typically in Toyota, the Corolla is always the one that sells the most in the Toyota world. So let's just go online. So I'm looking up a Toyota dealership that's in the Annapolis area. So this is the one that I'm going to look at. So let's go into their pre-owned inventory here. You go to the used car inventory, and we're going to search. Obviously, we're here to look for that wonderful Corollas. So we're going to check in the Toyota world. Check for the Corolla. So I see that here. So you might not be looking for a Toyota Corolla. We're just using this as an example, okay? So this is stuff that showed up here. Let's go. All right, let's just click this one here. So in the Corolla here, scroll down on the dealership and look for this. You're looking for the Carfax logo. It might be a different color, whatever, but you're looking for Carfax. So show me the Carfax. So let's go ahead and take a look here. So on here, this says that it's got 2 previous owners. I don't really care too much about that, but you might, but it's up to you. But I'm interested here. It says no issues here as far as no accidents, so that's a good thing. So scroll down. All right, so we're in the top of December 2019. So I'm going to scroll down. So this is the second owner. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, stop here. So see, this car was just offered for sale by the dealership at the end of November. I said that we're at the beginning of December. This is not a car that you really need to really think that you're going to get a good deal when you go to the dealership. Why? When you see the cars that's at a dealership, they have hundreds of cars, some have a lot more, whatever. They have all those cars there. The dealership does not own those cars. Who does? Yes, the wonderful B word, the banks. I didn't mean wonderful when I said that, but whatever. The banks actually own that car, and that dealer, they are paying a small interest daily on that vehicle. But once it gets time to that 45, 60-day window, that's really when you're going to see the dealership begin to discount that car. Why? Because they're paying small interest, but it's going to come to a point where the bank is going to call in and say it's time to pay the full value for that car. Just like banks, dealerships never, ever, ever want to do that. Have you ever gone to your bank and you want to deposit, let's say $10,000 or some high value, you want to deposit that in there? They'll be like, no problem, sure. But then you go there and say, I want to withdraw $10,000 cash from my account. What does the bank say? Man, they don't want to do that. Or they'll say no problem, but then it takes forever to get your money. Same way with the dealership. They do not want to pay up that amount that vehicle is to them, as far as they don't want to pay that full value for it. So you want to go into that dealer inventory of the Carfax and see when did they offer that vehicle for sale. If it's within that 40 to 45 day window or greater, that's the car. That's the car that you want to go after to get a great deal on. So let's check something else here on this same website. I'm going to look at this particular Toyota here. All right, so I'm going to scroll down once again. Show me the Carfax. Let's see what's going on here. This one's had 3 previous owners. That's a lot. That you can negotiate on because they've had so many owners. So you can see, okay, how can I probably get the car a little bit more discounted because of that. But I'm going to scroll down, owner number 3. Boom. Vehicle was offered for sale just at the beginning of November. So you want to wait until about December the 17th or so. So give yourself about 40 days, 45 days. When you're in that December 17th to, you know, we're getting close to Christmas. When you're to that Christmas time frame and they still have that car, watch out, watch out. That's the car you want, because that car is going to have a lot of discounts that's going to save you some money. What did I just do there, guys? I just gave you tips on saving potentially hundreds to thousands of dollars on a used vehicle. So once again, remember, if that dealership doesn't have a show me the Carfax, run. Do not buy from that dealership. But on something like this, if you know it's in that 40-45 day window and you see on that Carfax there, that's the used cars that you want to be searching for. So pick up a list of about 5 or so vehicles like that you like, that you're looking for in your next vehicle purchase, and go get that car. Man, I just saved you hundreds of dollars in just one little tidbit. There's so much more in what the dealership doesn't want you to know, and there's so much more that you're going to learn in my channel. So once again, subscribe, share, like, share with your friends, and I hope to catch you in the next video. Have a great day. Go Ravens, go your team, but go you. Go you. I'm here to encourage you and equip you as you go to buy your next car. I hope you're confident. I hope you're going to be excited when you go to buy your next car, because you're going to know that you're going to be saying to yourself, I got a great deal. So once again, remember, this channel is for us. It's for you to save some great money. So bless you. Have a great day and share with your friends.